Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to the lecture second of coordinate geometry. In the previous class, we have studied what is coordinate axis, what is x-axis, what is y-axis, and what is origin, and some related term to the coordinate axis. In this class, we are going to study plotting the points on the coordinate axis and some more terms related to this chapter. Let's start. This is a coordinate axis. This is a coordinate axis. We know that it is x-axis, it is y-axis, it is y-dash axis, and it is x-dash axis. And we also know that it is the origin, and coordinate of origin and coordinate of origin is 0, 0. We also know that at x-axis y is equal to 0. Here we can see at x-axis there is no distance on y-axis, so we can say at x-axis y is equal to 0. Similar way, at y-axis we can say x is equal to 0. Now, if a point P have coordinate -2, 3, then the question is arise that -2, 3 in which coordinate lies? In which coordinate -2, 3 lies? This is first coordinate, this is second coordinate, this is third coordinate, and this is fourth one. We know that this is first coordinate, this is second, third, and fourth. We also know that in the first coordinate x and y both are positive. In the second coordinate x negative and y positive. In the third coordinate x and y both are negative. In the fourth coordinate x positive whereas y negative. So we know that here the sign convention is written. So -2, 3 have x negative and y positive value. In second coordinate x negative and y positive. So we can say -2, 3 lies on second coordinate. -2, 3 lies on second coordinate. Where? -2, 3 on second coordinate. Similarly, we can find out -5, -4. In which coordinate it lies? -5, -4. -5, -4 means x and y both are negative. In the third coordinate x and y both are negative. So we can say -5, -4 lies on third coordinate. I hope you will understand how to identify the coordinate of a given point. We have to know the sign convention of coordinate axis to find these conditions. So next we can identify -5, 4 in which coordinate? -5, 4, that means x negative and y positive. It means this is lies on second coordinate. 7, -6 in which coordinate? X positive and y negative. This is in fourth coordinate. And -2, -3, x and y both are negative, so this is in third coordinate. And 7, 4, this is x and y both are positive, and x and y both are positive in first coordinate. It lies in first coordinate. So here is the way to identify the given coordinates of axis. So next, if a question is asked with me that in which coordinate -4, 0 lies? In which coordinate -4, 0 lies? So here is a problem. What is the problem? -4, 0. We can identify easily that -4, that means x-axis, x is negative. x is negative, but 0 is neither negative nor positive, so we cannot identify 0 is positive or negative. So we can say it is not in negative axis and not in positive axis. So if the coordinate is this, it is y axis, it is y dash axis, it is x axis, it is x dash axis. Here the condition is not negative not positive, not negative not positive, that means क्या हुआ, only y axis or only x axis. Whenever x negative or positive but y not negative or not positive, that means the points are on x axis, points are on x axis. When y is 0, then we can say the point lies on x axis. In this case, if x is negative, point lies in negative direction of x axis, but if x is positive, then the point lies on positive direction of x axis. So we can say -4, 0 have y coordinate 0 and x coordinate is negative. So we can say it lies on negative direction or negative axis of x. We can say it lies on negative direction of x. So -4, 0 where? -4, 0 is negative direction, negative axis of x. Similarly, if we have to identify -5, 4, 5, 0, in which coordinate 5, 0 lies? So 5, 0 means x not 0 but y is 0. If y is 0, then points lies on x axis and it is positive, so we can say the point lies on positive direction of x axis. So 5, 0 lies on 0 lies on positive axis, positive direction of x axis, positive direction of x axis. Easy. And next one is 0, 7, 0, -7. In which coordinate 0, -7 lies? So here 0, -7 means x is 0 and y is not 0. When x is 0, the points will lie on y axis. When x is 0, then points will lie on y axis. And if y is negative, then it is in the direction of negative. And if y is positive, then it is in the direction of positive. So we can say, and the same concept, -0, -7 lies on 0, -7 lies on negative direction of y axis. Negative direction of y axis. It lies on negative direction of y axis. Similar way we can say 0, 4. Here x is negative, x is 0, so we can say it lies on y axis, but y is positive, so instead of negative direction it lies on positive direction. So 0, 4 lies on positive direction of y axis. It is clear that we can identify all types of points we have to given. Now we can solve some questions related to these topics. Let's start. In which coordinate the given points lies? We have to identify some points are given in which coordinate these lies. So first is 2, -4. Second is -5, 4. Third is 0, 5. Fourth one is 0, 0. Fifth -3, 5. And next -3, -3. Here we have to identify these these coordinates. And next we can say 7, 0. we have to identify. 2 comma minus 4, x is positive but y is negative. X is positive but y is negative. In the fourth coordinate, x is positive but y is negative. Here it is more clear from the above coordinate plane. This first coordinate both positive, x negative and y positive. This is first, this is second, and this is third. This is fourth. In fourth, x positive, y negative. 2 comma minus 4, x positive, y negative, x positive, y negative. It lies on fourth coordinate. In which coordinate? This is fourth coordinate. We can write 4. Minus 5 comma 4, x negative, y positive, x negative, y positive, x negative, y positive. In which coordinate? Second. In which coordinate? Second. 0 comma 5. Here, see clearly. 0 x equal to. If x equal to 0, then points lie on y axis. And if y is positive, then it is on positive direction of y axis. If y points in negative, then it is on negative direction of y axis. So here x is equal to 0. So this lies on positive direction of y axis. Positive direction of y axis. 0 comma 0, x 0, y 0, both are 0. Since 0 comma 0 is origin, it lies on origin. It lies on origin. It lies on origin. The coordinate of origin is 0 comma 0. Next one, minus 3 comma 5, x negative, y positive, x negative, y positive. That means second. Minus 3 comma minus 3, x and y both are negative. X and y both are negative. In which coordinate? In third coordinate. This lies in on third coordinate. Next, 7 comma 0. Where is 7 comma 0? 7 comma 0. Where is 7 comma 0? Here y is 0. Y is 0 and x is positive. So it lies on x axis, and x is positive. So it lies on positive direction of x axis. 7 comma 0 lies on positive direction of x axis. Positive direction of x axis. So here first type question is completed. Next, distance from the axis. Distance from the axis. Distance from the axis. Axis. If the coordinate of a point are a comma b, if the coordinate of a point are a comma b, a and b can be any real numbers. So distance of this point from x axis is equal to b. Distance from the x axis x y b, at x axis पे v. Distance of this point from y axis is a. At y axis is a. X axis b, y axis a. So for example, find the distance of point 4 comma 6 from x axis. Question is find the distance of point 4,6 from x axis. तो 4,6 is compared as a comma b. 4,6 is compared as a comma b. So distance of a point from x axis. So distance from x axis what is b, and here b is 6. Distance unit. If here distance, then we can write here unit. Or distance from y axis. Distance from y axis. Y axis means a is 4. A is equal to 4. So here these points are also clear. Finding the distance of a point from the axis. If a point have coordinate a comma b, then distance from x axis b, y axis a, we can say it is reciprocal or inverse, because for x axis we have to take point value of b, from y axis we have to take value of a. So this point is clear. Now let's again, we can say if a point have 3, 4, if a point have coordinate 3, 4, then what is the distance of this point from x axis? B. At y axis a. What is b? 4. What is a? 3. Because comparing a comma b. A is always in first and b in later. A is always in first, and first point is abscissa. क्या बोल रहा था? Abscissa. And 4 is ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate makes coordinate. Abscissa and ordinate makes coordinate. Next. Plotting the points on the coordinate axis. Plotting the points on coordinate axis. Plotting the points on coordinate axis. Plot the points given points on coordinate axis. Coordinate plane. Here point is 2, 4, minus 3, 0, 6, 5, 0, 4, minus 3, minus 3, sorry, minus 3, minus 4, 7, 2. These points are 2, 4, minus 3, 0, 6, 5. We have to represent this point on coordinate axis. For representing the points, first we have to make the coordinate plane. So we can say y dash, x and x dash. Suppose the points are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similar way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here left side, so negative, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. It also negative, minus 4. First we have to represent the point 2, 4. 2, 4 means distance from x axis is 4 and distance from y axis is 2. At x axis we have to go 2 here, at y axis we have to go 4 here. So here we started where these two points meets, This is coordinate axis 2, 4. This is 2, 4. This can be point A is equals to 2, 4. And minus 3, 0. Minus 3, 0 means x negative and y 0. If y 0, then it lies on x-axis. X-axis in the negative direction. Negative direction in left side. Minus 3, y 0. तो ये हमारा point. This is point minus 3, 0. Next 6, 5. At x-axis 6. At y-axis 5. At x-axis 6. So at x-axis 6 here. Y-axis 5 here. Straight. As we go straight, where the line meets, the point formed C 6, 5. Next one is 0, 4. That means x0, y negative, y4. If x is equals to 0, then it lies on y-axis. 0, 4. This axis. X0, y4, positive 4. This point D 0, 4. Minus 3, minus 4. X and y both are negative. So it lies on third coordinate. X minus 3, y minus 3. Sorry, minus 4. This is minus 3. This is minus 4. It cuts on point D. And the coordinate of D minus 3, minus 4. Last 7, 2. X is 7, y is 2. X is 7 here. X is 7, y is 2. This and this. This point is E and it is 7, 2. This is the representation of points on the coordinate axis. I hope you will understand this very simple concepts. First we have to know in which coordinate the points lie. Second, tick the points on the axis and draw the lines where the two lines meets. Where the points are formed. For example, minus 3, minus 4 at x-axis minus 3 straight line. At y equals to minus 4 it is also a straight line. Where two lines are meets, point D is located minus 3, minus 4. Next we have to do some important questions of related these points or these topics. Question 1 is, what is the ordinate of four, 3? What is the ordinate of 4, 3? Second, what is the abscissa of minus 7, 6? Third one is, what is the coordinate of origin? And last, in which quadrant does 3, 0 lies? Let's see the solution of these questions. First, what is the ordinate of 4, 3? Ordinate means y-axis value. Abscissa means x-axis value. Remember, ordinate means y-axis value. Abscissa means x-axis value. What is the ordinate of 4, 3? Ordinate means y-axis value. We can say 3. What is the abscissa of minus 7, 6? Abscissa means x value minus 7. What is the coordinate of origin? 0, 0. What is the coordinate? In which quadrant does 3, 0 lies? But 3, 0 lies no any quadrant. It lies on x-axis because y is 0. If y is 0, then it is on x-axis. So we can say 3, 0 lies on axis and it is x-axis. 3, 0 lies on x-axis. Clear? All the questions are clear? I hope this session of coordinate geometry part 2 will be helpful and interesting for you. You have to solve these questions again and again. If you have any question,